I have two assistants.
Stop trying to be 6 feet.
I have two assistants to help today with the better than cake. Okay, let's get into it.
Girls on me, on the dance floor, all eyes on me. Who is he? Man, you better come get your girl dog. All eyes on me, party like a rock star. You can find me in VIP. All eyes on me. Yeah.
Caramel milk, condensed milk, whipped cream, 3 eggs, German chocolate cake. Thank you, AJ. And he's gonna crack.
And whoopla.
Guys, this is so simple and so super to make. I've got my 2 helpers in the kitchen today. You can make this too. Let's
Perfect, AJ.
You gotta hit it hard, but.
All right.
No!
Perfect.
Yeah. I'm doing oil.
Perfect, big guy.
That looks like.
There you go, Blake.
Yeah, I can't do that.
AJ, I'm gonna let you pour it in. Ready?
Okay, tell me when to stop.
Just dump it all right in there.
All of it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, well then wait, watch out, watch out. Move. Oh, the bag, wait, the bag, oh thank you.
Okay.
Not too shabby.
Not too shabby, right? Is it heavy, baby?
No. Look, watch.
AJ's first time tasting chocolate cake.
Looks like peanut butter, but not bad.
It's gonna come over and help me with the magic. Until then, we're gonna spray our dish. We're not making a big pan because a lot of people can't eat sugar in the house. We're gonna have a smaller pan, okay, you guys? So we're gonna pour the cake dip in.
Super simple, you guys. Super simple. Again, you guys, this is our better than anything or poke cake, as it's called in the South. It goes in for 25 minutes.
28 go. So I'm gonna open this one, and our mommy's gonna open that one for B. Ready?
I'm pointing. You say you're pointing.
Yes, ma'am. You go first. Hopefully it'll come out.
No, you got.
You go first.
3, 2,
2,
1.
1.
Mix your caramel and your carnation milk together. That beautiful, you guys. You've got to make this cake better than anything cake.
Twirl across that line. Yeehaw! Bring it on out. Bring it on out. Perfect.
You guys had to buy that. You don't want to make it for a cake.
Come taste it.
Taste it.
You don't want to taste it?
Oh, it's so good.
That's caramel. First time having caramel. Put your finger in there.
Or just taste this one too. Taste this one too.
Isn't that good? All right, now taste caramel.
Caramel is so good.
You don't like caramel? Okay.
Ooh, see it stirring. That looks like better be honey. That looks like honey.
Looks like honey. Those.
Yeah.
Focus on what you're doing.
Oh, look at that. Did you see that?
You just want to gently mix that carnation and caramel and make the most beautiful mixture, you guys.
Caramel and chocolate.
Super simple.
Caramel and carnation milk.
Yeah. So, some caramel tastes better than other.
Yeah, well, I don't know about that.
Yeah, look, you have to watch a video to do that.
Okay.
You have to watch Mystery Dog or something else. Mystery Dog is a science show.
Yes, it is, and we love Mystery Dog, right?
I watch it every day when I come home from school.
That's right.
Here's Blake's Mystery Dog.
So do you want to watch Mystery Dog on the couch?
While we cook the cake, while the cake cooks?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Stirring, keep on stirring. Whenever you put the camera up, it looks like vanilla. And when you look down, it looks like chocolate and vanilla.
What do you think of it? Smells good? Careful, it's hot in there. All right, let me get it out.
Hey, you guys, here's our better than anything or poke cake. Oh my gosh.
Okay, we're gonna let it cool 5 minutes. We're gonna check to see that it's done, but I already know that it is. We're gonna stick our toothpick right on in. If it comes out clean, she's done. She's done. Let it cool 5 minutes, and we got some magic coming up. All right.
Right.
Go slow. Let me show them what we're using. This is from our old drum set. And poking holes.
So right here?
Mm-hmm. Go slow with love. Uh-huh. Oh my God, amazing.
So.
You might want to twirl it a little satisfying.
So.
No, okay, don't. Love on it, love on it.
Blake, child of doom.
Okay.
I got.
You want to gently poke holes into your cake. I know you think it looks like I'm ruining it, but trust me, right onto the bottom of your cake.
All right. Twirl.
Oh my God, it's so satisfying.
Better than anything cake.
Can't do that
Or
right.
some people call it a poke cake, but guess what?
All right, keep going.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Just keep poking those holes, you guys. It's all going to make sense in a little bit. AJ thought this was so satisfying.
Ooh, it is satisfying.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, it
Just
is.
have a little nibble off the
Yeah, take a nibble.
Just one little piece
No,
off
do
the
not
side.
touch my cake.
Is this yours?
It feels amazing.
I
It's
know
the
that.
families.
Can I try?
Please don't touch a cake with your negative, negative, negative.
Can I try?
And
No,
now
you can't
it
try
is
the cake,
Blake's
but
turn. Come on, Blake, your turn. You get 1 and 2. Ready? Go slow.
Slow.
Slow right here. Ready?
No, we definitely gonna have to help her.
We're going all the way down to the bottom. Did you go down?
It's better than anything cake is a crowd pleaser. Make it just like this. You will not be disappointed.
No, don't rush it. Love.
Bird!
Okay, sweetie.
I saw him.
You done, Blake?
And mommy did it for you. Wait, mommy.
All right.
Well, that's
Don't touch. Oh my God.
I'll do more.
One more. All right, AJ, right there.
And so you making a whole,
stop.
you making a cake full of sugar. And my
Right,
wife,
go all the way to the bottom, ready? All
my
right.
wife can be like,
I'm gonna do
Thank
two.
you. Perfect.
Here you go.
Thank
Bye,
you, AJ.
Duncan. Bye. I can't be there. Cocoa cream.
Cool Whip.
Cool.
Cool Whip. In order for it to be
Do we just dump
comments
it over?
allowed. We can with your hands. Cool Whip.
No.
Oh, don't.
Yeah.
You think so?
Hit it.
Not really thinking that. As I said, would you like to scoop? Yeah, and it's more satisfying. You love it? Yeah, that's Cool Whip. Keep going. Isn't that exciting? With love. Keep scooping. Keep going.
Wait.
Due to health restrictions,
Have
we
fun.
in this
Is
family
it
are
nice
only
and
using one
satisfying?
container of Cool Whip.
You taste it?
Yeah.
He's never had it. This is the magic. This is the magic. This is what makes, this is our frosting. So here we
I'm gonna pour. I'm pouring.
You want to pour? Go slow. Go slow. A little bit at a time. All right, I'm gonna start pouring that. Hold it. Breathe. So talk and talk and talk.
Where the fat back go?
She's laying on the couch.
Dang,
Range. You like the mountain range?
Yeah.
You're smart.
Only use about half of your caramel carnation milk mixture with your whipped cream, Cool Whip, because you'll need the rest later, and you'll see why. Okay, you guys, right here is where you use the rest of that caramel carnation milk mixture. Better than Megan or better than anything.
Right into those
Okay,
holes.
put that caramel mixture right into those holes. Look at the goodness. It makes it so good and
Me.
delicious on the bottom.
It's a frosting.
It's going to be amazing. If nothing else, it's been so satisfying. But this is the best, better than it's cake, better than making cake, poke cake, whatever you want to call it, cake.
For about 30 minutes, and then we're gonna come back and do it again. Don't you cut that.
Better than anything cake, you guys. Wait for it.
I'm drooling.
Eeny, meeny, miny, mo.
Yeah, but standing there, and we stayed there the entire match and got a victory back.
I'm gonna do a lot of getting up.
With the space, what is that?
That's the cake you just made.
Oh, you ruined it.
Ooh.
I'm just getting two.
Is better than anything.
the gooiness at the bottom.
Wow, that's nice right there. That looks real nice. That looks real nice.
He up to something. Whatever's happening, it's up to something. Oh.
That looks real good.
Arthur took it. It's all right. Oh.
Wait, move your hand, please.
Ooh, look at that. Not bad.
If you've enjoyed today's video, be sure you thumbs it up and subscribe. Thank you. That better than Megan cake. My goodness.
That's like
Subscribe, thumbs it up, and thank you for watching. And be sure to make the better than anything cake.
Fly should be supervised. Do or die, open up your eyes, head to the sky. Keep a mean bad mommy on the side. Make a tsunami kamikaze on the mind. Spit flow, paparazzi flash shine, get dough, champagne.